guys, it's your girl Shelly. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, today's video is going to be a little bit different from the content that you recently seen on my channel. My first disclaimer, because I'm pretty sure you guys saw it from the title, we will be doing an unboxing of the Macbook Pro, the 2020 version. I recently went and picked this bad boy up at Best Buy. Best Buy was having a little bit of President's Day sale, so I decided to jump on it while I could. Yeah, so I'm really excited about this because I no longer have to upgrade anything in my studio. I'm really excited. Also, I'm going to go over my first impressions, any differences that I've seen, because as you guys know, I am a Apple person, okay? I am definitely an Apple girl. You can already can't tell. I actually still have my old Macbook that actually died on me. Thing has been through hell and back with me. As you can see, look, it's missing a little leg and everything. Like, I don't even know what the hell happened to this thing. It's so old. This is a 2010. I got it late my sophomore year, which was 2013, I believe, maybe 2012, 2013. I got this, and this is a 2010. It got me through college. I swear, as soon as I graduated, this thing just started acting so stupid, to a point where it started to overheat. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but at some point, I'm gonna insert a video here because I think I had it on my stories because I was like complaining about it so much. The battery itself started expanding, and the guy at the Apple store told me that basically it's like the way that Mac or Apple has their own MacBooks so they don't overheat or explode is a mechanism that helps it expand or something like that. So yeah, so that's basically what happened to that. And why do I still have it, you ask? I have separation anxiety. But yeah, so anyway, we are going to unbox this baby, and I will give you guys my first impressions, any key details that you may need to know. This is not a tech channel. I just know what I know from doing content creation over the years. So any advice that I may have for any content creators or for anybody who's in the beginning stages of being a content creator, i.e. YouTube, TikToker, Instagrammer, photo editing, video editing, music editing, things of that nature, I will definitely give you guys some pointers along those lines, okay? So yeah, let's just get into the video. So this is what the box looks like. So this is the first time I actually unboxed a Apple laptop. My original laptop that you guys seen down here originally, I actually bought that for super cheap and it was used. So this is my first experience of opening a MacBook from Apple. So this is new, very sleek, of course, very nice presentation. Apple has this cute little tab here that I can just pull to open it, which I think is really convenient. So we're just going to do some little ASMR. I'm trying to keep it cute, but hey, whatever. I'm not trying to break this. Oh my God. Is it me, or like, does Apple's presentation, like, oh my God, like the way they brand themselves, like I'm here for it. Oh my God, like their boxes feel so good. And I wanted to know also, I don't know, this is very random, but people be like, oh my God, it smells so new. It don't smell like anything, it smells like a box. All right, it's just, oh my God, why is it open so slow? It was just making me so anxious. Like I just want to open it. Oh my God, look at that. I guess it kind of does have a smell. So boom, that's what it looks like. This is what I'm seeing. Got the 13-inch MacBook Pro. I got the 8 gigabytes and I got the 112 SSD. He's going to be moving with all the programs that I will be throwing at it. I actually wanted space gray. I don't know why I got silver, but I'm just glad I actually got a new damn laptop, so I'm not really tripping off of that too much right now. So we're just going to pull the tab right here. And oh my God, look at that. It's so, oh my God. It's so thin. Right off the bat, I can feel how much lighter this thing is. Like, oh my God, compared to my old MacBook, where is it? Number one, this thing is like so much more bulkier. Like, I don't know if you guys can really see the difference. Okay. Definitely the Apple logo is smaller. This is definitely more bulky. Definitely, this is smaller. I'm not sure how many inches this one was. It was such a long time ago when I got it. The logo is definitely smaller compared to the same size as the laptop. I'm just gonna rush through the boring stuff really quick. So in here you have your charger, part of the charger, and it's USB-C. Has the little booklet that nobody literally ever reads. And of course it has the actual power adapter. It goes up to your USB-C. Really long charger, which I am here for, okay? Do you see that? This thing is so long. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the box. I kept the box for my big iMac that's up in my room, but you know, that's for when I do move out. So, all right, so we're going to open this up. I feel like I gotta put something at the bottom of it. I don't want to scratch it up. So I did get a case off of Amazon. I'm gonna see what this looks like because, ooh, I want little plugs too. Oh, okay. Oh, okay, so the case that I ordered, it came with a screen protector, which I am not putting on there. This is also, what is this? This is also a keyboard protector. I don't know. I'll keep that just in case. I don't know if I'm really gonna use it. So now we have our case on there. And again, I got this from Amazon. I will link it down in the description box below. As soon as it came out, I wanted to put a case on it. It was never a game to me, okay? I wanted to make sure it was good to go. But yeah, so anyway, so we are going to open her up and see what happens. Oh yes. Ooh, I feel so official. Oh my god. You gotta love brand new stuff. Oh my god. Oh, it has a touch bar. That is so dope. I'm just gonna go through the boring setup part and I will get back to you guys. So that is it for the MacBook portion. While this is downloading that, I will put that right here. I did get some accessories to go along with my MacBook off of Amazon. Again, I will link these down in the description box below. And this has USB. I cannot use it to import my footage when I get done filming and stuff. So I did get this adapter. It looks like this. This is the company. I don't know if you guys can really see that. So this is the company right here, and this is the adapter. It has two USB volts right here. It has HDMI right here, two USB voltage, and it also has SD card, micro SD card, two USBs, and that's pretty much all I really need. And all you have to do is just pop that bad boy right in there, and it just goes like that. And then you can just stick your memory card or whatever you may need right up in there, and you're good to go. I also got this cute little pouch, but I thought this is a really cute idea for when I do edit on the go, especially when I travel and stuff. It'll help keep me organized. Basically, you can keep like your charger, you can keep your memory card holder, your AirPods, Apple Pencil, all your different Apple accessories you can put in here, so that way you have everything in one sitting and you're not scrambling around in a bag looking for stuff. Like I can just pop this bad boy right up in here, so just in case I need it for when I am on the go, I'm not thinking I don't have it or whatever. So just stuff to keep your small accessories in. Last but not least, I got this really cute bag for my laptop when I do take it out with me. Yeah, it's this really cute like pastel pink. Of course, you know I gotta have pink. And it has this this stripes at the bottom of it. And it's just really, really cute. And of course it has a zipper, and it's blue on the inside. Comes with a strap, which I love because I rather have the strap than this, because I want to make sure that my laptop is secure in the bag and it's not going to fall on me. Also has like a little, you know, pocket in case you want to add more accessories on the inside. All together, super cute, super chic. And it just has enough space, so in case I do have to throw like my hard drive in there or something like that, I have plenty of space. So now I got everything set up and stuff. I'm just downloading my Final Cut Pro and all the stuff that I usually would need when I am actually filming or I'm editing on the road. So the main reason why I wanted to get another laptop is because I have my big Mac upstairs, which is an iMac, not the actual sandwich. But as much as I love my Mac, she still moves just as fast the same day as I took her out the box and opened her up. But the only downside to that is I can't edit on the go, and as anybody knows who is a content creator like myself, you are always editing, and editing sometimes takes hours. Okay, so when I'm away from my iMac, I can't get work done. So that means I have to wait until I literally get back home. Sometimes it's a good and a bad thing, but then I have a whole bunch of editing I have to do once I do get back home, which makes me kind of overwhelmed. So this kind of helps out. So when you have like downtime, like if you're going on a road trip, or if you, when the pandemic's over, if you are going on an airplane and going somewhere, I can edit while I'm on the airplane or something like that. Or if I have downtime during my vacation or something like that. So now I'm going to get into some of the deets that I've noticed, at least. So I have the MacBook Pro 2020 edition. I have the base model, so that means I only have 2 Thunderbolts on the side, and it looks like I also have something for headphones. I don't need it because I have AirPods. So Apple has come out with their own processor, which is the M1 chip everybody's talking about. So basically what a processor is the brain of your machine. This is going to help make Apple products move so much more faster. Apple products used to have Intel, which you will see in regular Windows PCs and computers, but now Apple came out with their new processor, so this will help everything move along way faster and more powerful, and you'll get a lot more bang for your buck. So that's basically what all that means. So I decided to go with the Pro, and I always tell it to people who always come and ask me about which they should get. If they are a first-time Mac user and this is your first Mac laptop or Mac computer, and if you don't really do too much editing, or you're not a creative, or if you're not a really entrepreneur of any of that aspect, and you're not really using hardcore programs that can really kill your computer, I would say go with the MacBook Air. It is cheaper and it's also more lightweight than the MacBook Pro. But if you're a person like me and you constantly are editing and filming and photo editing and using really big programs, I say go with the MacBook Pro. I just feel like the SSD can handle a lot more than what the MacBook Air can. I've been seeing a lot of reviews where a lot of people got the MacBook Air first, and then they come to find out that it can't take Final Cut Pro, for example, or Adobe projects while you're trying to be on the internet and watch Netflix at the same time. It just can't handle it. So I would say just put the little bit of money in and just get the MacBook Pro. It will save you a lot of time and a lot of energy. So some of the specs that I got was, I got 8 gigabytes of memory. That will help my computer move very fast. Also got 112 gigabytes of SSD storage. Again, I have 2 hard drives upstairs. I have my old hard drive that I have from college that I just started using for my videos. And I also have a lacy hard drive that's 4 terabytes where I store all of my videos now and going forwards. I usually keep my tech very, very clean. That helps keep them moving at the way that they should be moving, which is fast and powerful, and they don't lag on me when I'm also importing, editing, and exporting projects and videos. Also helps with the longevity. If you put all this money into these type of machines, you're gonna want to make sure that you run them to the ground and then some, okay? I want every bit of my money's worth out of these machines, and I have, so I just keep doing what I do. If you are someone who is creative, or you're going to begin doing a YouTube channel, or if you're doing music, or if you're doing photo editing, or just managing really, really big files, I say go with the MacBook Pro. It'll definitely save you a heartache, time, and energy. And I even know people who even stream off of MacBook. I personally don't, but I generally edit off of Macs. I trust them a lot more with editing versus Windows computers. I feel like they're better for streaming purposes. I know other people usually edit with Adobe on Windows, but this is just my personal workflow and preference. So that's just how I work. I'm just putting that out there. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I love the fact that it has this space bar right here. But I know I've seen videos on how to customize for like Final Cut and stuff, which is the program I use to edit. I like the fact that it really works. Like, this is so cute and cool. I wish they had this for like iMacs and stuff. So yeah, this is pretty much my unboxing of my laptop. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you guys have any questions or concerns. Leave them down in the comments below. I love talking to you guys in the comments. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!